I'm Saravdeep Basur. My company's name is Lucent Worldwide. We are a lighting design company based out of China and India. When I started lighting design as a profession, it did not exist in Asia. And I wasn't even aware that you could charge people a fee for lighting design. The projects I'm most proud of are the Shenzhen Lighting Master Plan, the Golden Temple Amritsar, to the Jaipur city lighting, heritage city lighting. Our work would be known for the respect we give to the environment. While designing, we're very conscious about the light pollution, we're conscious about the glare, and we're also very conscious about the damage which we could do to the building while the lights are being installed. So we're very, very careful about that, sensitive. I always like to, my favorite projects have always been landscape. Though we as a company are more known for facade lighting, which is something we do because they are more visible. But landscape is something which is very close to my heart, and I would love to do very nice landscape projects. I think the technology we really think should be possible and is not there as yet should be wireless lighting, because then the possibilities really open up. One can take the light wherever one wants to without bothering about the cable.